Going through cancer treatment can be an extremely stressful time. Add this on top of an already fast-paced day-to-day life can sometimes feel overwhelming. We can't fully control all of the stressors in our lives, but we do have some control over how we choose to respond to these stressors. Mindfulness practices during and after cancer treatment have been shown to have many benefits: reduced pain, fatigue, anxiety, depression, and fear of recurrence, and improved sleep. There has also been evidence that practicing mindfulness may both enhance your immune system and help to reduce high levels of stress hormones in your body. The evidence also shows that the above results are better with increased practice, so a commitment to regular practice is important. In this video, we are going to practice a mindfulness technique using breath awareness. I want to remind you that the purpose of this short practice is not to have a completely calm and quiet mind. Rather, our intent with this practice is to do your best to focus your awareness on the present moment. As you go through the practice, I invite you to observe any thoughts, feelings, and bodily sensations as they come up. Our intent is not to judge what we notice, but rather to simply observe. Finally, during this practice, your mind is very likely going to wander, and that's okay. Every time you notice your brain wandering off into other thoughts or just completely zoning out, I invite you to simply notice the wandering and then bring your focus back to the present practice. Let's begin. In this video, we are going to focus on a mindfulness practice called box breathing. This practice will take approximately 3 minutes, but if this feels right to you, I welcome you to continue for a longer duration, either on your own or by repeating this video. To begin, I invite you to find a place where you can either sit or lie down comfortably. You may choose to use blankets or pillows to set up your space. If it feels safe for you to do so, I invite you to close your eyes. Another option is to gently focus on an object in front of you. As you begin to settle in, I welcome you to begin taking deep breaths in and out. Ideally, we would like these breaths to begin in the lower ribs and belly, a diaphragmatic breath. For your first few breaths, I simply welcome you to come back into your body and notice how that breath feels. No judgment, no attempt to change, just notice. We're going to start to focus on changing the breath like a bit of a box. So imagine as you breathe in, that's one side of the box. As you hold, that's the top or the bottom of the box. And as you breathe out, it's the other side of that box. We're going to start with a count of 3 for all parts of this box. Let's begin together with an exhale. And now breathe in for 3, 2, 1. Hold at the top of your breath for 3, 2, 1. Exhale for 3, 2, 1. And hold for 3, 2, 1. Let's repeat. Breathe in for 3, 2, 1. Hold for 3, 2, 1. Exhale for 3, 2, 1. And hold for 3, 2, 1. Continue like that on your own with your own count of 3 for another few breaths. If your mind starts to wander, that is completely normal. I invite you to notice that wandering mind without judgment and then bring your awareness back into the breath like a box. If 3 breaths feels very comfortable, see what it would feel like to extend that box into a 4-second breath. Breathing in for 4, 3, 2, 1. Hold for 4, 3, 2, 1. Exhale for 4, 3, 2, 1. And hold for 4, 3, 2, 1. Try that again, whichever count works best for you. As we complete this practice, I again welcome you to continue for a longer duration if this feels right for you, either on your own or by repeating this video. Thank you for joining me. Be well.